In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a PDF in Adobe Acrobat, enter Edit Mode, and use the Select tool. First, let's get your PDF open in Adobe Acrobat. Make sure you're launching the desktop application and not a web preview or a browser plugin, because the tools we'll use live inside the full Acrobat interface. You can open your file by choosing File, then Open, or by dragging the PDF straight onto the Acrobat window. If double-clicking a PDF opens another program, just right-click the file and choose to open it with Adobe Acrobat. It's a good idea to work on a copy if the document is important, so you can always revert if you make changes you don't want to keep. With the PDF open, the next move is to enter Edit Mode. In recent versions of Adobe Acrobat, this is labeled Edit PDF. You'll usually find it in the toolbar at the top or in the right-hand pane. Clicking it tells Acrobat you want to modify content, and the page will highlight text and objects to show they're editable. If your PDF is actually a scan or an image-based file, Acrobat may prompt you to recognize text before editing. That's normal and helps convert the page into selectable text. Keep in mind that full editing features require the Pro version of Acrobat. If you're using the free reader, you'll see limited options, and some edits may be unavailable depending on your license or the document's security settings. Once Edit Mode is active, you'll want to use the Select tool for precise selection. Look to the Quick Access toolbar at the top for the Select icon, which typically looks like a standard mouse cursor arrow. Click that icon to enable selection. With Select active, you can click and drag across text to highlight exactly what you need. This is helpful when you want to focus on specific words without moving or reshaping the entire text box. If your cursor is grabbing whole blocks instead of individual characters, the PDF might be image-based, and you'll need that text recognition step to make finer selections possible. For images or shapes, the Select tool lets you highlight and identify them, while edit-specific handles appear only when you switch to tools that modify layout. The Select tool is perfect for reviewing, copying text, or preparing to apply other actions without altering the document's structure unintentionally. That's all there is to it. Open your PDF in Acrobat, switch into Edit Mode, and activate the Select icon from the Quick Access toolbar for clean, controlled selections. Save your work when you're done, and you'll be set for the next task.